9 foods to help you sleep better. After 50. Are you tossing and turning every night, feeling exhausted and drained from lack of sleep? After 50, poor sleep doesn't just wear you out. It can also increase the risk of heart disease and memory decline. But the solution might be right on your plate. In this video, we'll dive into 9 natural foods scientifically proven to help improve your sleep. 1. White rice. A study comparing the sleep habits of 1,848 people based on their consumption of rice, bread, or noodles found that eating more rice was associated with better sleep quality compared to bread or noodles, including longer sleep duration. Unlike whole grains, white rice is rich in nutrients that support the production of tryptophan. It also has a high glycemic index, which raises blood sugar and insulin levels. Foods like this may enhance the absorption of sleep hormones, helping you drift into a restful night more easily. While white rice has potential sleep-promoting benefits, it's best to consume it in moderation due to its relatively low fiber and nutrient content. Additionally, eating it at least an hour before bedtime is recommended. So, white rice can be a great addition to your diet for better sleep, especially if you're over 50. 2. Dairy products. Drinking a glass of milk before bed can improve sleep quality, particularly for older adults. Milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, 2 key components for relaxation and sleepiness. It also acts as an anti-inflammatory, providing positive effects on the body and brain. Furthermore, milk's high calcium content supports both mental and physical health. Although researchers find it challenging to establish a direct link between dairy products and sleep, the relationship is generally seen as positive. Milk is not just good for your overall health, particularly for your bones and joints after 50. It's also a natural aid for better sleep. 3. Bananas. Bananas, especially their peels, are rich in precursors to melatonin and serotonin, 2 compounds that regulate circadian rhythms and promote sleep. They also contain potassium and magnesium, which can lower blood pressure, relax the nervous system, and soothe muscles, fostering deeper sleep. Magnesium further helps reduce stress, making it easier to drift off. Additionally, bananas can improve overall health, which indirectly benefits sleep. Packed with vitamins and minerals like phosphorus, calcium, and vitamin B6, bananas support a healthy gut microbiome, a crucial factor for better, longer, and more efficient sleep. Bananas are not just a nutritious fruit, they're a natural sleep aid you should consider, especially if you're over 50. 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in carbohydrates and contains a small amount of fiber which can induce sleepiness when consumed before bed. It also provides tryptophan, a precursor to melatonin, the hormone that regulates the sleep cycle. Magnesium in oatmeal plays a significant role in relieving common issues like headaches or muscle tension, symptoms often experienced by older adults, which can pave the way for more restful sleep. Oatmeal is a wholesome addition to the diet of anyone over 50. Including it in your daily routine can not only support your overall health, but also help you achieve better sleep in your later years. 5. Almonds. Almonds are a nutrient-packed superfood with impressive health benefits, including promoting better sleep. They are a natural source of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your body's sleep-wake cycle and signals when it's time to rest. Just 28 grams of almonds provide 19% of your daily magnesium needs, which is essential for improving sleep quality, especially for those with insomnia. In addition to melatonin and magnesium, almonds are rich in unsaturated fats, fiber, antioxidants, and B vitamins. These nutrients not only support restful sleep, but also help reduce the risk of conditions like diabetes, making almonds a valuable addition to your diet. This health-boosting nut is highly recommended by experts, especially for individuals over 50. Not only can almonds improve your sleep, but they also help protect your overall well-being. 6. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is renowned for its calming effects and numerous health benefits, including improving sleep. It contains apigenin, a powerful antioxidant that binds to certain brain receptors, promoting sleepiness and reducing insomnia. A 2011 study on 34 adults found that those who consumed 270 milligrams of chamomile extract twice a day for 28 days fell asleep 15 minutes faster and experienced fewer nighttime awakenings compared to those who didn't. Chamomile tea is also rich in flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation, and apigenin, which supports better sleep quality. Its ability to calm the mind and body makes it an excellent choice for those struggling with sleep issues. Enjoying a cup of chamomile tea each day can be a natural remedy to protect your health and enhance your sleep, especially after 50. 7. Kiwi. Kiwi is a low-calorie, nutrient-packed fruit with surprising sleep benefits. In a 4-week study, 24 adults ate 2 kiwis an hour before bedtime every night. By the end of the study, participants fell asleep 42% faster compared to nights when they ate nothing before bed. Rich in fiber and carotenoid antioxidants, kiwi not only supports digestive health and reduces inflammation, but also improves sleep quality due to its serotonin and vitamin C content. More than just a healthy snack, kiwi is a powerhouse of nutrition that protects overall health and promotes better sleep, especially for those over 50. 8. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids, abundant in fatty fish, are a key ingredient for quality sleep. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are rich sources of serotonin, a neurotransmitter essential for regulating sleep and mood. Fatty fish also contain tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, which plays a vital role in the sleep-wake cycle. Combined with vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, these nutrients help reduce inflammation, support heart and brain health, and minimize nighttime awakenings or insomnia. The benefits of fatty fish are undeniable. Not only do they protect your heart and brain, but they also serve as a natural aid for better sleep after 50. Add fatty fish to your diet at least 3 times a week to experience the full range of health and sleep benefits. 9. Walnuts. Walnuts are not only great for heart health and lowering cholesterol, but also for improving sleep quality. They are one of the best natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. In addition, walnuts are rich in healthy fats like omega-3 and linoleic acid, which contribute to reducing cholesterol levels and supporting overall health. These 9 foods can be game changers for achieving better sleep, especially after 50 when insomnia becomes a common challenge. What's your favorite sleep-friendly food? Beyond these 9 foods, do you know of any others that help with sleep? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Your suggestions could help others overcome sleepless nights and improve their health and longevity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more tips like these. Thanks for watching.